Hey guys, Justin Cole, the car guy here at Accelerate Auto Repair, and today we're going to talk about road trip safety and the perfect vehicle to take a road trip in. We've got this beautiful F-150 trimmer here that's available at fast.cars. That is our dealership. But as far as the road trip safety goes, there are a number of important things to consider. Most importantly is your inspection. So, and I'm not talking about a state inspection, I'm talking about your physical vehicle inspection to make sure that your tires, your fluids, your lights, your belts, all of those essential items on your vehicle are safe and ready to go. Also, just as important is your tire maintenance. So if you don't have a TPMS or tire pressure monitoring system in your vehicle, you'll want to make sure and check all 4 tires plus your spare. A lot of people forget the spare, and then when the spare needs to be used, it will often blow out or fail before you can get to safety. So don't forget about the spare. You'll also want to do your fluid and wiper check. So all of your normal fluids like oil, coolant, your washer fluid, and don't forget your wipers. A lot of times people will travel, they'll go on a road trip when weather changes from not much rain to a lot of rain, or not much snow to a lot of snow. And if your wipers aren't in good shape, then you might not be able to see very well, and that's especially dangerous when you're traveling out of populated areas where there might not be as many street lights. You'll also want to make sure you have an emergency kit, flashlight, jumper cables, blankets, water, non-perishable snacks. All that kind of stuff helps, especially if you've got kids. Navigation. Obviously you want to plan your trip in advance. Get your navigation system queued up, whether it's on your phone or in the car. Make sure that the route makes sense before you leave. I'll be the first to tell you that I was led into the middle of a field when I ran just in time to run out of gas, because the navigation told me that it was a gas station one time. Had the dogs in the car with me. One of them was a cancer patient, big mess, and I was out of cell coverage. That is critical. Obviously communication, make sure you inform your friends and family members that you're going to be going on a road trip, so if something happens, then people will know to start looking for you. Don't forget the comfort items, especially if you're traveling again with kids or other people. Pillows, blankets, snacks, and playlists are good too. Audiobooks, that way you have some entertainment and good music for the road. You want to make sure that all of your chargeable devices are charged and that you don't forget your charging cables, so you can keep everything charged and not have any interruptions during your trip. And kind of touched on this already, but weather prep. If you're going to be traveling somewhere cold, make sure you pack all of your cold weather items, especially gloves, ear mitts, in case you do break down. Another good thing is to have a candle, a regular traditional candle in the vehicle. It's been proven that if one lit candle is in the vehicle and you're in a very cold area, the heat from the candle alone will keep your temperature inside the vehicle warm enough for you to not freeze. You're going to be still very cold, but that one candle makes a huge difference. Sunglasses, all of your normal items that you would need at the destination that you might not need at home, make sure and bring those too. Sum it all up, make sure you swing by Accelerate Auto Repair. Our website is accelerateautorepair.com. Our phone number is 469-501-5115. We'll get you very dialed in and do everything we possibly can to ensure that you and your vehicle are as ready as possible for that road trip. And again, if you need an awesome truck or another vehicle to take a road trip in, at fast.cars, we're here to help you with a lot of great inventory. Thanks again, Justin Cole, the car guy. Have a good one.